Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add friends in Roblox Studio. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, before inviting anyone, make sure your project is saved. Open Roblox Studio, click on File, then select Save to File As and save your project. This ensures your work is stored before enabling collaboration features. Next, go to the top of Roblox Studio and click on Collaborate. A window will appear, and from there, click Save to Roblox. This uploads your project so collaboration features can be enabled. After that, you'll be taken to another setup screen. Make sure Team Create is turned on. This is required before anyone else can join and edit your project. Now give your place a name and click Save. After a few moments, a new option for adding collaborators should appear. Click the Add Friends option at the top and start typing the name of the person you want to invite. Keep in mind that you must already be friends with that person on Roblox. If you are not connected as friends, Roblox may display an error saying the user must be a connection before editing access can be granted. Once you've selected your friend, click Save and the invitation will be sent. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add friends in Roblox Studio. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!